My name is Netuka. You already know. I will tell about plants. What's the important stuff? The sun and the moon gives the power to the plants, and even inside there's some little scrapes. I think I have this. I will show you. And so I'm gonna see them. So there's inside. They goes around to the root. Then the plant makes some oxygen to us to breathe. And some food that you are just eating are plant food, like so these plants do not touch because those are poison, and it will do some super scratchy stuff. Slugs also like this place because there's so much plants. Worms eat some dead leaves, so they like here. So we will see we will see some slugs around anywhere here. And they will be caterpillars. Caterpillars like leaves. Also, there's a food chain, but